morning, Spectrum.
My name is Maddie.
And I'm Parker.
And welcome to Noise News.
We don't have a lot of news for you today, so let's get started.
This Monday is the last day for parent-teacher conferences.
Conferences start at 4 and end at 7, so don't miss out.
Thanks, Parker.
Well, we'll be right back with sports after this.
Calm down. It's the first day.
Dude, I can't calm down after seeing this. Senior party, bro! Man, that was a great Christmas break.
It really was, dude. Look at this swag jacket I got from Carter.
Oh, lucky. All I got was an egg in the face from Karsten.
Oh, dude, not even cool. What is this?
Dude, senior party is gonna be even better than the Christmas party.
Nice, bro.
See? Senior party! Buddy, wake up! Wake up! Senior party, dude!
Dude, it's 9:04. What are you waking up for?
Senior party, bro.
So what? It's a week away. Calm down.
Senior party! Yes!
The senior party is May 27th. It is $80 before April 18th and $100 after, so make sure you pay on time.
Hey, Spectrum. We're coming out swinging this first week of spring sports. The boys baseball team has their first home game of the season tomorrow at 11. Come out and support your Sting. Now back over to Parker and Maddie.
Thanks, bud.
That's all the news we have for you today, guys.
This has been Noise News.
Keeping you in on the noise.